program expanded, because we started it out very small and limited with the notion that it would grow, I met a family who had come to Albany to lobby, husband and wife from a small, pretty poor, upstate, rural community. They were there with their son, who I guess was about, 8 or 9 years old. Lovely, smiling, happy little boy. They didn't have health coverage. They weren't poor enough for Medicaid, and there was nothing else available to them. Their little boy had not been to the doctor practically since he was born. Thanks to Child Health Plus, they were one of the first families to enroll in Child Health Plus, and they immediately took their kid to the pediatrician for a checkup. Now, I don't know what symptoms led their pediatrician to do some tests, but they discovered that he had a brain tumor. Thanks to the fact that they were able to take him for a checkup. It was discovered early enough and was quickly treated. And there was their little boy, smiling and happy. Today, he probably has smiling and happy children of his own. He would not be today smiling and happy. He probably would not be today were it not for the fact that his parents were able to get him health coverage. So those of you who are involved in the Get New York Covered effort, be very proud and very excited about the work that you do, because the work that you do saves lives. You should be proud, we should all be proud to live in a city with that kind of commitment. We should all be proud to live in a city that for generations has supported a magnificent system of public hospitals like the one we're in today. We should all be proud that we have a mayor, Mayor de Blasio, and a deputy mayor, Deputy Mayor Palacio, and Health Commissioner Bassett, and President Stan Brezhnev, who are so strongly committed to public health and health care. That's a key part of what keeps New York strong and growing. Our country is founded on the idea that we have an unalienable right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and that securing those rights is the job of our government. And unfortunately, a lot of people in our government don't get that. But fortunately, at least here in New York, we understand that the people of New York all have a right to public health and to health care, and that our government has a sacred and profound responsibility to secure that right. And all of what we are doing in the Cover New York fight is part of helping to secure that right. It's part of helping to fight back against the people in Washington who are trying to trash the Affordable Care Act and trash Medicaid, and the next thing they will come for is Medicare. We're all in this fight together. Let's win. Thank you.